Today, I'll show you how to use Rev's AI chat and AI prompts on a single transcript in the editor to get cited answers, instant summaries, and key takeaways, all without leaving the page. So let's get started. All right, so let's get started with a file here. This is the O.J. Simpson trial, day 1 of his deposition. All right, so the first thing is you've got the chat assistant on the left-hand side here. This AI chat is a great way to get quick answers to questions you might want to find out within a particular document. So this is an hour and 46 minutes. Instead of watching or reading all of this, let's just go ahead and ask some key things. So maybe we want to find out what inconsistencies there were in OJ's statements. So I can go ahead and just pop that question right here. And by the way, you can see that there are 3 questions that are pre-populated. Each file, based on the transcript, will give you 3 sample questions it thinks you might want to find out or learn more about. So that can be really helpful. Again, it's custom tailored to each file. In this case, we're going to ask our own question. So were there any inconsistencies in OJ's statements? Here we go. And this just takes a couple moments. All right, here we go. Based on this deposition, there were several notable inconsistencies, and you can see here, it notates each one and then the initial statement and the correction. So you can see a tool like this can be extremely helpful to find out anything that you need. This even covers significant red flags, for example. So it's a really great way to analyze documents quickly and easily. Now, we also have AI prompts. Instead of asking a one-off question, maybe you want to get a larger output of what actually happened. So you can see here, I've got AI prompt for deposition preparedness. I've got another one for deposition summary. And you can see here that each of these files are including timestamps where you can reference the part of the transcript that it is pulling from. And the really nice thing is you can run multiple different AI prompts for each file. So it's completely up to you. And they stay cached. Once you run it once, it's going to stay cached, so you don't have to worry about that generation time. If it's AI prompt that you have not yet created, you'll see it like this. And you click Generate Now. It'll take a few moments, and then that will be created. In future videos, we'll also show you how to customize these AI prompt summary outputs and make them your own. But there's a lot of great out-of-the-box things here included by default. Rev's AI chat and prompts help you pull what matters: cited answers, instant summaries, and key takeaways from a single transcript. Open your next file in the editor and give it a try for yourself. We're dropping new videos all the time, so subscribe to our channel and don't miss a thing. Until next time, we'll see you soon.